Charcuterie Board. Ingredients: ½ pound naturally aged cheese, 2-3 varieites, cut into 1½ squares. 4 ounces fresh mozzarella balls, marinated. 4 ounces soft cheese, 2-3 varieties, see suggestions above. 4 ounces semi-firm cheeses, or firm, 2-3 varieties, see suggestions above. ½ pound premium hand-trimmed meat cold cuts, 2-3 varieties, sliced into 1½ inch squares or circles. 4 ounces hard salami. ½ cup fruit preserves, fig, strawberry, raspberry, etc. 1/3 cup honey. 1 pound fruit, 2-3 varieties of dried and fresh, see notes above. 1 pound vegetables, 2-3 varieties, see notes above. 1 pound nuts and seeds, 3-4 varieties, see notes above for suggestions. 1 pound crackers. Instructions: on large wooden cutting board or plate, arrange cheeses randomly across the board. Place mozzarella balls in a small dish to keep them from rolling around. Next, cut meats into small servings and place on the board. Try to use a variety of sizes and textures randomly over the board. Place fruit preserves and honey in little bowls or serving cups and place on the board. Wash all fresh fruits and vegetables and cut into small serving sizes. Place fruit, dried fruit, vegetables, and nuts randomly across the board, again trying to use a variety of textures on different parts of the board. Fill in all the empty spaces you can. If you have a lot of empty spaces, fill them with crackers or serve the crackers on the side,